How to send a friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable internet connection and then go to the Play Store applications to make sure that you have updated version of the Facebook application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on opening the Facebook application. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Then after logging into your account, what you can do is just go onto the search bar over here, which is the magnifying glass icon over here, and then you can just search for any of the person's name that you want to send the friend request to. So for example, if I want to send the friend request to this person over here, tap on that profile, and after tapping on the profile you'll be able to see the option of add friend over here. So just tap on add friend and your request to be friends has been sent. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.